everyone, it's Miracle and welcome back to Mind of a Miracle. I'm so sorry if you hear any outside noises. I closed one window, but it is super hot, so I had to keep one of them open. So if you hear any bumps, cracks, creaks, beeps, and pops, just know I live in the hood. It's 4th of July and it's hot. I'm coming in with a makeup look today, guys. If you guys didn't know, I'm a huge fan of Nicki Minaj, and recently she came out with the song, the music video to the song Megatron. I really was feeling the makeup look because it was so simple. Nicki was looking good, so I was like, let me go ahead and be the one to teach the other girls how to look good, just like Nicki. So I'm gonna breeze through the first portion. I'm gonna just lay on a solid foundation because that girl, her face was beat. Whoever did her face knew what they were doing. Go ahead, good for you. I'm actually gonna come in with the Nars liquid foundation, liquid Longwear foundation, and just spritz it on. I want to do this really quick because what I appreciated the most about the look itself is that it looked so natural. Come in and just show you how I blend that out with my 2 fingers. Okay guys, so I have properly blended that out. I'm actually gonna come in with something I have not shown in a couple of videos. This is the Double Lasting Etude House. It's actually a foundation. If you guys watched my previous video, I would suggest clicking on it, looking for it. It's not too long ago that I posted it, where I did a review on Korean beauty products. In any case, this product turned out to be way too light for my nice brown tone. So I decided that I'm actually going to use this product as a under eye highlight or concealer because it is very light. You can probably tell from here, but once it graces under my eyes, you'll fully understand what we're working with. And this is why it's under eye makeup now. Guys, recently I went to a Pink Sweats concert. If you guys don't know who he is, get it together. Let me just play a little clip of his music right here. That man is a phenomenal singer, especially live. My hubby took me to go see him. He actually put me onto his music. He is exceptionally talented. He's very inclined to engaging with his audience. In fact, he even had some random audience member go on stage and sing with him. If you guys are interested, I'm sorry, my family is home and they just talking bad luck. They just feel inclined to talk to each other like normal families do. In any case, like I was saying, he actually had a random audience member go on stage and sing with him, and he made her feel exceptionally comfortable and all that stuff. If you guys are really interested in me inserting clips from that concert, let me know, DM me, put it in the comment section. That man, talented. But yeah, I don't know, I just thought about it the other day. And I'm thinking about it right now because we're talking about artists that we've been to see. What concerts have you guys been to recently? The last concert before Pink Sweats, I actually went to see Bruno Mars in October to perform. Let me tell you, another performance well done. Some people are so talented. I'm just like, I can't even hit one note. So how you do that a whole series of notes and sound good in person? Like, it's not even just a recorded track that you sound nice on. Like, I find it very unfair, especially people who look decent and then they can sing, because I'm just like, why you get all the blessings? I'm gonna actually contour my face because Nicki was snatched. She was just like, I ain't playing no games with nobody. I'm gonna be skinty all the way. For this, I'm actually gonna come in with the Fit Me Cosmetics by Maybelline. Right, Maybelline. It's in the color 360. It's dirty because I don't care about it. In any case, I'm gonna use that to contour my face so I look like I lost 10 pounds, okay? What happened there? That looked a little bit weird. And yeah, I'm gonna contour my nose. Make sure my nose is snatched up too. And I'm still using the Fit Me by Maybelline. I don't know why, like, okay, Nicki is pretty to me. Nicki Minaj is very pretty to me, but I don't know why her team, like, focuses so much in on her nose. Her nose is, like, to me, it's dainty, but, like, the contour is so hard. It looks very sharp. I don't know if that's done intentionally. Maybe she likes her nose sharp. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a hater. I'm probably being a hater. But I like the subtle contours of her face. So for them to make it so prominent, it just seems so unnecessary to me because she's like already beautiful. So I don't think that's me being a hater. I just think like, team, focus in on her natural beauty. Stop making her face all harsh. She ain't Caucasian, fam. Meanwhile though, I'm trying to make this look like her in the video, so that's why I'm gonna contour away my Africant nose. Okay. I don't think I'm shaving it away. I think I'm just highlighting the fact that I have a really button looking nose, so just gonna enhance that a little bit. She doesn't do this in the music video, or her makeup artist didn't do this, but I like the button portion of my nose. So I'm gonna cut across with the contour to draw more attention to the little button portion at the tip of my nose because I really like that. And you know, while you are recreating looks, you also want to make it applicable to yourself. So throw in little things that you do, make it worth your while. Okay. Another thing that I appreciated in the video is the depth that they created in her eye. So I'm gonna come in with the top portion. I'm still using the contour powder, and then I'm gonna come in from the outer corner of my eye and brush inward. I mean, I didn't apply more product to this. In fact, maybe just a little tap like so, but not too much, because we are coming in with eyeshadow afterward. As you can see, I'm pretty much winging this. I'm gonna mix the colors Mocha and Orodox. I can't, Budox, I don't know what that means. Anyway, I'm gonna mix those two colors, tap it back and forth, get the color on the brush, and tap out the fallout, and then come in the outermost corner of my eye again to deepen what I already placed there with the contour, and then cut into the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna come in with the same brush using the color Definity. It's right here in the palette. Okay, I'm gonna just dust this over lightly and alleviate the fallout. Then I'm gonna press this on the inner corner of my eye first, very, very gently, and flip it over and get the remaining product off of the brush. I'm going to come in with the colors Molasses Chip and Satin Sheets, and that's going to create the gold color that I actually don't have in this palette. And yeah, I'm going to come in and use that to fill in the innermost portion of my eyes. Now, guys, this is beautiful. Look at this color. I don't know if you guys, if the camera is even doing this justice, but this looks beautiful in person. Just blend that out. Use the remaining product and put that on the other eye. I got a little bit too much up there, but that's okay, because when we blend it out, it's gonna be okay, fam. Everything is gonna be okay. Just so you know, Nicki does a high arch with her eyebrows. I'm gonna try my best to do the high arch, but in reality, fam, my eyebrows don't have a high arch. I don't cut them to be that way. I cut them at the natural arch tailored to my face, but I will try my best. This is the drying eyebrow pencil from Etude House, if you guys wanted to know. So I finished up with my eyebrows. They are fairly even, I'm surprised. I'm gonna add some warmth back into my face, so I'm coming in with the lovely blusher by Etude House, and I'm gonna just add some pigment back into my face. I'm actually gonna mix it with another Etude House product. This is the Mousse blusher. It has a little piglet face on it if you're looking for it online. I have to come in with a highlighter. I don't know how this video just became me using majority of Korean beauty products, but it just did. So that's what we're gonna do. And just look at the shimmer. Yes, shimmer. I'm actually using the same brush that I used to contour because I want it to have some semblance of blending in with each other. Nice. Right over the high cheekbone, because Nicki Minaj just glows like all the time. I don't know how she do that, but she just look like she glowing extraterrestrial all the time. Infills nostrils fine. Nice, pretty. So I'm actually gonna come in with the Dear Darling Lip Tint by Etude House. And I'm going to stain the center portion of my lip. Beautiful. It's a nice plum type of color. I'm going to let that sit on my lip for a little bit. The bottom. All I did was do the bottom lip. I'm going to let that sit and bake. Actually, I'm going to mix it. Mix it. Because her lips look succulent. Everything's so far away. I don't know why I put everything so far away. So this is what the Dear Darling Lip Tint looks like. I'm actually gonna put that in the center of this center. You wanna see what that looks like? Yeah, because her lips look succulent, and I want my lips to look succulent too. And I'll be back. I have to get the lip gloss. I'm gonna finish off my lips with the Jeffree Star, the gloss in the color Wet Peach. And get it all over my face. Ah. Ah. Okay, and the thing that makes Nicki them eyelashes. I'm a huge fan of this person named REYNA on YouTube. Her YouTube channel is called RF Fabulous. And she has this beauty line called RF Beauty, and I love her as a person. She's just so full of life and real, and you know, I know she said no new friends, but hashtag you my friend, okay, because I'm a nobody, so you can be friends with me. Anyway, this is her product line. Look at the packaging. She has lashes on the side. I actually bought two. I bought Irate and Lick Off because these lashes will seriously lick off somebody's face, you know what I'm saying? So in any case, I have the Irate, and they are so beautiful in the packaging. Like, look at this. I actually moved one of the lashes and didn't realize that my camera cut off, so that's why it's like that. And there's a nice little thing on the back. It says, believe in your beauty, that's what makes you fabulous. Love are fabulous. That is so cute. Little personal detail. I don't know if you guys can see it, but in any case, I am super impressed with the packaging alone. So I'm gonna put this on off camera and put some hair on and put on a shirt. And anyway, I don't know what you guys missed and when my camera cut off, but it doesn't matter because we're already here at the end, and yeah. Hi everyone, so I'm back and this is the final look. How did I do, guys? Let me know down in the comment section and, you know, down below. I feel out of my comfort zone, but I'm feeling this look, guys. I'm gonna tell you about these eyelashes. They are so light and comfortable, like you don't even understand. Like, they almost feel like they're not there. I can see them because they're so grand. I chose the size large in the and the lashes, but I just feel really glamorous, like very va va boom. And in any case, highly recommend the eyelashes. They're extremely soft, very light. Unfortunately, it does not come with an eyelash adhesive, but I actually had one on hand. This one's called the Casina eyelash adhesive. I got it on Amazon. I believe it's a Korean brand, but I can't be 100% sure because I don't remember. And I don't have my glasses on, and these eyelashes are too grand for me to put them on, so I can't read the back where it would tell me. In any case, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can receive further updates anytime I upload. And yeah, follow me on all forms of social media. Instagram is at precarious_mind. Go ahead, once you add me on Instagram, like the pictures that I'm gonna post when I upload this, because this look is giving me life, okay? Like, I am all smiles. Like, I don't think I've ever smiled this hard in any of my videos. And then, yeah, Snapchat is xmira.mirax. If you guys want to, want me to do anything specific, let me know in the comment section down below. You guys are mad quiet. I don't understand. I see the views, but I'm not seeing the comments. Shout out to my girl, Nor, who is like religious with the comments. She comes through every single week. Every week. Be on that, guys. Be like Nor. She's next level. If you don't know who Nor is, go in the comment section, find her in every single video, and just be like, I love you, fam. Just tell her you love her, because I love her. She's just real supportive. Yeah, and that's all I have to really say. I don't know what else I'm supposed to say. I'm feeling myself.